Hi, today I am going to demonstrate to you that instead of making a cut over plan in an Excel sheet, it is more user friendly who is going to update the plan in an MPP file because every time when you are going to change any date or hours duration or start stop time because of the predecessors present in the plan, the whole plan will shift and you will have the exact correct projections instead of doing the same thing in an Excel sheet and changing all the dates, hours, and durations every time in an Excel sheet whenever you do an update in a single cell. So how to do that? This is plan which you can see. This is the standard style of a plan where you have the start and finish dates only, duration and the thing. So first thing you will have to do is to change the working time. So instead of having a standard project calendar, it is better if you can use a 24-hour calendar. So once 24-hour calendar is selected, the second thing you will be doing that you will be using 24-hour calendar here, applying it over the project. So this is it. As soon as you have done it, you have observed that the durations and the finish date is changed. Now the second thing you will be doing once this is changed, you will baseline the plan. We have baselined the plan as well. Now the next thing I would like to have is to have the visibility and control to put exactly the hour minutes in the plan, because if it's a 6 hour task, let's say task number 4, I would like to have a control exactly at what time it started, at what time it finished, and exactly how much hours it has taken. To do that, what I will do, I will change the date format. This is the standard date format. Instead of this one, let's say select this one where you have the date, month, as well as the hours and minutes control. So as soon as you have applied, you have this visibility in the plan, exactly what time it is starting and finishing. So after this, just to showcase the comparison can also be done, I will add the baseline values as well so that you can have a comparison on the go. Baseline start, baseline finish. And I will also use actual finish. You can use actual start as well. So this is going to give you the advantage that you will have the comparison exactly when is happening and what is the projection. So for example, this first task, which was supposed to happen at 8 a.m. on 1st of October, it did not happen at 8, but instead it actually happened at, let's say, um, copy 8 a.m. and let's say mark it at 10 a.m. As soon as I have entered the actual start time, so you have observed the whole plan is changed because the rest of the activities were dependent on that. See? So this is the first difference you are seeing, and it got completed also instantly. So I have the actual finish as well. After this, what I am going to say, let's say this activity restore backup. This is being followed by the rest of the tasks, so I will change or give an update that to it as well. For example, as soon as I have taken the decision, the next activity which should have started at 10 a.m. now. Previously, it was supposed to start at 8, but because of the delay in the decision and which was taken at 10 a.m., it is now supposed to start at 10 a.m. However, still there is a gap. Let's say the person who was supposed to take the backup was not there on the seat and he got late, and the actual start happened at 10 a.m. As soon as you have changed that, you can observe the rest of the plan is now having the revised durations and dates. And as soon as this is done, I'll say instead of completing in 6 hours, it's got completed in 7 hours. So now the projection says in 7 hours it will complete at 10 p.m. However, instead of completing at 6 p.m., it actually got completed by 7 p.m. Let's say in the actual finish. And as soon as I've changed, now you have the comparison that the baseline duration was 6, the the projected duration is 8, and since I have put both actual start and finish, so I can also see the actual durations. So since the finish is also done, now I have the projection based on this, that the actual duration and the planned duration are the same. After this, the next activity is supposed to start by 7 p.m. I will say, yeah, exactly, it happened with the same timeline. And instead of changing, started at 7 p.m. and it finished at 7:30 p.m. This is the projection because this is a half hour activity. And I said, yes, it started on the revised projected time instead of 2 p.m. and it actually completed in the same half hour. I simply put 100% here. So based on this 100%, I have filled the actual start and actual finish. So this is one very strong example how I am having exact tracking that when the task number 13 is now going to be completed based on this trend, that instead of completing it, let me highlight this activity where I'm referring to. Yeah. So now, so the baseline finish was supposed to happen at 8:30 a.m. However, because of the delays and the changes, now the projection is appearing as 1:30 p.m. This is the real time projections happening based on the instant updates you're getting from the MPP. This was not so easy in an Excel sheet in any way possible. I hope you have enjoyed this demonstration and you are going to apply this in your upcoming or current project as well. Thank you very much.